Good morning!
Originally, I was gonna vlog my day, but that's not what I ended up doing, so we're just going to fast forward through all of this. Instead, I decided to start a new video series. Since my paddleboard is all finished up and completed, I need a new project to work on, so I decided to go up to the farmyard where I typically get the old barn wood that I then turn into furniture. I have built a desktop, a headboard, and a coffee table using all lumber that I've gotten from this farmyard. It means a lot to me, and in later videos I'll explain a little bit more about the history of the farm, give you a little bit of a tour, and drag you guys along with me while I collect wood. And then later I might even do some videos of projects that I use the wood in. Hope you guys enjoy this. It's a lot of fun for me, and I'm excited to share this journey with you. So I'd really appreciate it if you kept watching. Thanks, guys.